Disick and Holly Scarfone have been spending a lot of time together and were very touchy-feely this week at a nightclub in Paris, France. Disick, 38, and model Holly Scarfone, 23, took the Fling International this week. On Thursday, March 3rd, Scott and Holly, who he has been seen with on 2 separate dates in LA recently, were photographed being very hands-on with each other at a Boum Boum nightclub in Paris, France. However, just 1 week prior, the Lord was spotted out on another date with single Kourtney, 25. In LA, but don't expect him to settle down anytime soon, as a source close to Scott told Hollywood Life exclusively that he is not looking for anything serious with either of them. These women are simply beautiful distractions to take his mind off of the upcoming wedding between Kourtney Kardashian, 42, and Travis Barke, 46. Scott doesn't know what he wants right now. There is a connection with Holly, and she is quite easy to be around, but Scott likes being around any woman right now that can help him take his mind off Kourtney and Travis, the source told us. The same thing goes for anyone else Scott is seen on dates with, including Kourtney. Hollywood Life spoke to another one of Scott's pals, who insisted that Scott isn't looking to settle down right now. After his past letdowns, Scott feels like it would have to take someone incredibly special to make him want to commit to a romantic relationship. Scott has not been committed to anyone since ending his 11-month relationship in September 2021 with Amelia Hamlin, 20. Before that, Scott was in a serious relationship with Sophia Richie, 23, for 3 years, which ended in July 2020. Towards the end of Scott and Amelia's relationship, Kourtney, who is the mother to Scott's 3 kids, Mason Disick, 12, Penelope Disick, 9, and Rain Disick, 7, started being very serious with Travis, and the two became engaged in October 2021. After Kourtney's engagement, Scott went out on dates with several beautiful women, but nothing materialized from these dates. According to the source, Scott has not been in the best place since Kourtney and Travis got engaged, and his fans are concerned. Although everyone was relieved that Scott did not overreact to Kourtney's engagement, it is really starting to take a toll on Scott's happiness. Related gallery. Disick and Amelia Hamlin, see the couple's most memorable outings. It is painful for those who know him and know how he really feels about it to watch him go through this, the source said. He spends a lot of time with his kids, who are always talking about their mom. This is not how Scott wanted to see his life end up, single and bouncing from hot girl to hot girl. He keeps jumping from female to female in hopes of finding something real, while at the same time not wanting anything real with any of them because they are not courting.